Hello class. Today we're going to look at solving multi-step equations. So in the past we looked at solving single-step and two-step equations. Um, when working these problems, usually our first step is to look to combine any like terms, which means that you want to combine variables with variables and constant terms with constant terms. If you can't do that, you look to apply PEMDAS, which is you want to work with parentheses, then exponents, then you would like to work multiplication, division, and addition and subtraction. And one thing to keep in mind with multiplication, division, and addition and subtraction, you do it as if you were reading, so left to right, so whichever one comes first. So in this problem we have 2 times x minus 2 plus 5x is equal to 10. So our first step is we want to apply the distributive property to 2. So we're going to distribute 2 to both, to the x and then the minus 2. So we have 2 times x, which will give us 2x. Then we have minus 2 times 2, which gives us 4. Now that we apply the distributive property, our parentheses falls through, and I'm just going to rewrite everything that we have that was remained untouched. Now, we look to see if we can combine like terms. So yet again, we look for variables and variables and constants with constants. We have 2x and we have 5x, which we can combine to give us 7x. And then we'll drop everything down. So we have 7x minus 4 is equal to 10. So we reduce this to a two-step equation where now we want to try to isolate the variable. So we want to move everything away from the variable. So we'll begin by applying the additive inverse to 4 so that we can move it to the other side in order to isolate our variable. By adding 4 to both sides, we end up getting 7x on the left hand side, and then we get 14 on the right hand side. Now we apply the multiplicative inverse, which is dividing by 7 in order to isolate the variable, and then we get x is equal to 2. And all you have to do is plug that back in, and then you should check, and you'll get this the left hand side equal to the right hand side, and you are done. Thank you very much.